Get excited about the 2011 Buick Lucerne. This four-door sedan still has less than 25,000 miles. A 3.9-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated four-speed automatic transmission, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. Top features include remote keyless entry, a tachometer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, power front seats, fully automatic headlights, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.